finalize in the long term.
Yaki ka prangut ki nong yo training lani ki trainee Jong ka batch ka basabu praha ka field assistant Jong ka conservation training institute ka badon ha bernihat la Pynkup Burom da katnat soil and water conservation ha ka passing out ceremony ka bala longshan ha CTI auditorium ha bernihat na ki ka prangut ki nong yo training Jong snam ahajar aphuwe ahajar aphuar khat sangut naki ki day na katnat soil conservation Assam argut na Arunachal Pradesh but iwe idei Iba Nagatnat Soil and Water Conservation Division Resubel Para I Dr. Joram Beda I belong is Secretary Jonga Soil and Water Conservation Meghalaya Iladon Ringkat Langbat I Renja I Director ga Soil and Water Conservation Loki Wede ki he Officer Jonga Tanan Habakran hakanagasungi I Dr. Joram Beda ila ong baki nongyo training ki balapas ki long ki jingmentoy nagabenta katanat bat kajela ka kentu yaki baki nyasam bat pentrekam yaki jingyo jinghikai jongki nakabenta ban kentiu yaka jingnang jingtip banyada yaka mei mariang.
Pretty sure that you had a very comprehensive training program, and I must say that the essence of such a residential training is not just to give you technical knowledge, this is also to forge a lifelong relationship amongst you as officers. And especially in the current context of the northeastern region, this association that you have forged during this 11 years of training will go a pretty long way in helping your professional career and as well as unifying the Northeast.
Can National